Namaste friends. Bridge course Standard 10th English Day 11 11th July 2021. Competency statement: communicate pleasure, appreciation and support politely. Friends, you know language is a medium of communication. We express our thoughts, feelings or emotions, pleasure, sorrow, sympathy, etc. by communicating with a person or persons. मित्रांनो, भाषा हे संवाद माध्यम आहे. आपण आपले विचार, भावना, आनंद, दुःख, सहानुभूती इत्यादी एक किंवा अनेक व्यक्तींशी संवाद साधून व्यक्त करीत असतो. समटाइम्स वी कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट टू समवन. Sometimes we need to console someone. Sometimes we need to advise, encourage our near ones and dear ones. कधी आपल्याला कुणाचं अभिनंदन करावं लागतं, कधी कुणाचं सांत्वन करण्याची वेळ येते, कधी कुणाला सल्ला द्यावा लागतो, कुणाला प्रेरणा द्यावी लागते, उत्तेजन द्यावं लागतं, प्रोत्साहन द्यावं लागतं. Conversing with each other face to face is a pleasant thing. समोरासमोर जो संवाद केला जातो ती एक आनंददायी घटना असते. बट ड्यू टू पॅन्डेमिक वी हॅव रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स. कोविड-19च्या आपत्तीमुळे मात्र आपल्यावर काही मर्यादा आहेत. राईट नाव टू कन्व्हर्स फेस टू फेस और कंडक्ट रोल प्लेज समहाउ we need to overcome the situation. But due to pandemic we have restrictions right now to converse face to face or conduct role plays. Somehow we need to overcome this situation. Now I want to draw your attention to link the topic directly to our SSC board exam activity sheet. Now I want to draw your attention to link the topic directly to our SSC board exam activity sheet. Question number 5B, dialogue writing. There are three segments. Number 1 or A, sequencing dialogues. B, infogap, that means complete the dialogue. And third segment, writing the dialogues on given situation in that question. So today's revision and bridging activity definitely will lead you to score full credit in dialogue writing in SSC board exam. Besides it, to be fluent speaker we need consistent practice of communicating in English. So let us bridge the activity. Learning activity. Read the following dialogue and do the activity. Teacher and student, these are the two roles. Teacher says, "Hello dear, why are you so serious?" Student, Teacher, because of this pandemic situation. Teacher, what happened? Student says, I am worried about my 10th standard. Teacher, don't worry, I will clear everything through online education. Student, okay teacher, but if I have doubt then? Teacher says, then you may call me anytime. Student, it will be the best solution, sir. Teacher, okay, take care. Student, thank you, sir. Now, questions based on this conversation or these dialogues. What type of text is this? So it's conversation or dialogues. Why is the student worried? the student is worried due to pandemic as the school is closed. Who is supporting the student? Of course, the teacher is supporting the student. So in this way, you as a learner should understand when you read or you play the role in conversation or read the conversation, read the dialogue, you should understand its overall message. So this is the learning through the activity. Now next, solved activity. Read the following dialogues and do the given activity. Again, the dialogue, the conversation is between teacher and student. We have restriction, we can't play the roles. Assign the roles to you to demonstrate as you are at your home. So I read it. Teacher asks, do you study regularly? Student responds, yes teacher, I do my homework in time. Teacher asks, only homework? What about your actual study? Student responds, I don't get sufficient time. Teacher, then you have to prepare your own study timetable. It is also called a study planner. The student says, sir, will you please help me to plan this? Teacher says, sure, I will help you. Student says, thank you. Now the questions. What do you find in this conversation? So if you read again, you will find the teacher is helping to the student about the planning of study or study planner. Then next question is, who is not getting sufficient time to study? So the student is not getting sufficient time to study. And next question is, what does the teacher ask to prepare? The teacher asks the student to prepare his or her study planner. So in this way, this was the solved activity to understand the conversation. Now next activity, practice activity. Read the dialogues and understand the polite support through communication. The conversation is between Ram and Shyam. Ram asks, what's wrong with you? Shyam says, I have got less marks. Ram says, hey, nothing to worry. Only getting marks is not important. Shyam responds, then what is important? You are very good in sports. You see your strength there. Now questions. What do you find in this dialogue? So we find is it possible to communicate lonely? No, it is never possible to communicate lonely. You need someone to listen to and respond to. You have also to respond to someone's dialogues. Why is Shyam worried? Shyam is worried because he has got less marks. Now, extension activity. Complete the given dialogues. So here in this activity, you have been given incomplete dialogues. Some dialogues you have to fill in context with and make it meaningful conversation. So you have to do it yours own. The given dialogues, the conversation is between Mahesh and Satish. Mahesh asks, do your parents scold you? And then Satish has to respond, so you have to write the response here. Then again Mahesh asks, how do they encourage when you are in dismay? Dismay means sorrowful or sad. तुम्ही दुःखी असताना तुम्हाला तुमचे पालक कसे प्रोत्साहन देतात, प्रोत्साहित करतात, हा त्या प्रश्नाचा अर्थ आहे. So you have to complete the dialogues. And then finally you have to write my takeaway. So in this way you can write, I learned to comprehend the overall message of the dialogue. संवाद वाचन केल्यानंतर त्यातील जो संदेश आहे तो मला समजतो, हा त्याचा अर्थ झाला. सो इन दिस वे द फर्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी इज कम्प्लिटेड. नाउ सेकंड ॲक्टिव्हिटी, कॉम्पिटन्सी स्टेटमेंट द सेम, communicate pleasure, appreciation and support politely. Now learning activity between mother and son. Read the following dialogue carefully to find appreciation. Mother asks, hello dear, what are you writing every day? Son responds to his mother, mother, please see my notes. Mother says, okay, show me. Hey, these are the notes. Son says, yes, I have prepared as my own. Mother says, oh, really? Bravo. Son says, thanks mom. See my key points on each topic. Wow, very nice. Keep it up. Now questions based on this conversation. Question number 1, what do you see in this dialogue? So appreciation. We come to know mother appreciates her son, what he has been doing. And second question, is it an appreciation or threatening? Certainly it is an appreciation, not threatening at all. Now solved activity. Again you have been given dialogue, conversation between grandfather and grandson. So solved activity, read the following dialogue and find appreciation. Grandfather asks, Sonu, what are you doing? Sonu responds, nothing grandpa, feeding the birds and putting water in water feeder. Then again Sonu's grandfather says, very nice beta. Then Sonu tells his grandfather, grandpa, look here, see these birds, they are coming every day, they are coming here every day. Grandfather, oh really, nice to see them. Sonu says, even I have encouraged to my friends to take care of birds and animals. Grandfather says, feeling proud Sonu, you are being friendly with the ecosystem or environment. Sonu says, thank you grandpa. Now questions based on this conversation between grandfather and Sonu. Question number 1, who is appreciating to whom? Grandfather is appreciating his grandson Sonu. Then next question, which thing did you like the most in this dialogue? Being friendly with the ecosystem or environment. Sonu is very friendly with the ecosystem or environment and he is appealing his friends also. So this is very good thing that we appreciate. Now practice. Complete the following dialogue to appreciate the generous act of Rakesh. So here incomplete conversation has been given. Mahesh asks, why are you too late? Rakesh responds, sorry brother, I was in hospital. Mahesh asks, why? What happened? Rakesh says, nothing to worry now. When I was coming, I found one beggar lying on the road and left it incomplete. संवाद अर्धवट सोडलेला आहे. सिच्युएशन तुम्हाला समजलेली आहे की या ठिकाणी राकेश हा कुणाला तरी मदत करतो आहे. प्रसंग तुमच्यासमोर उभा केलेला आहे. हा प्रसंग तुम्हाला तुमच्या कल्पकतेचा वापर करून, तुमच्या शब्दसंपत्तीचा वापर करून हा संवाद पुढे तुम्हाला जमेल तेवढा पुढे न्यायचा आहे, दोघांमधला संवाद. अँड यू हॅव टू कम्प्लीट द डायलॉग, एक्सटेंड द डायलॉग अँड कम्प्लीट इट मिनिंगफुली. सो दिस ॲक्टिव्हिटी इज टू बी डन बाय यू. ही तुम्हाला वहीमध्ये हे डायलॉग लिहायचे आहेत. सो यू प्रॅक्टिस इट. सगळ्याच प्रश्नांच्या उत्तरांची अपेक्षा मित्रांनो करू नका. असं केल्याने तुम्ही कधी सक्षम होणार नाहीत. सो आय लेफ्ट इट फॉर यू टू कंप्लीट. Then next activity, extension activity. Resequence the dialogue to ensure support and appreciation. So there are 4 dialogues. This kind of question is asked for 1 mark in your SSC board activity sheet. So this is very important. There are many more such activities in 9th and 10th standard My English course book. So statement number 1, I practice yoga every day. Number 2, that's good. And what do you do? Number 3, I also do exercise along with yoga. And number 4, what do you do to keep yourself mentally and physically fit? So use these lines, resequence them and make the meaningful dialogues between 2 persons. And then write my takeaway. I learned how to appreciate and encourage each other. So in this way you can write. Just I gave hint. You can write in your own words, in your own way, what you learnt actually. And then the last, third activity, read the dialogue carefully and find pleasure and support at the end. The dialogue is between Vicky and Rohan. Hey dear, what happened? Rohan responds, nothing yaar. I'm attending online classes, but I don't understand maths. Vicky says, don't worry, we will help you. Rohan, it's okay, but what about my doubts? Vicky says, nothing to worry, we will take help of our maths teacher Gaude sir. Rohan says, but will he give the time? Vicky responds, yes, of course. He was saying in the morning online class. Rohan, thanks yaar, it will be better for me. Now questions based on these dialogues between Vicky and Rohan. What type of dialogue is this? Is it an appreciation or supporting? So it is supporting. Vicky is supporting Rohan not to be worried. Though maths is tough for Rohan, Vicky is offering him helping hand. Then, what is the theme of the dialogue? Concern about maths learning is the theme. Then, solved activity. Read the dialogues and find displeasure in communication. The communication or conversation is between sister and brother. So sister asks, why are you looking upset, brother? Brother responds, I am getting totally bored. Sister says, what is the reason? Brother says, I want to go to school, meet my friends and enjoy with them. Sister says, I can understand, but the situation is too worst. Brother, I know, but at least. Sister says, no, we should not go out. Our lives are important. Government is also taking extra care. Brother, I do agree. When will the situation change? Sister, my dear, we have to wait for some days. Brother says, I agree with you. I hope that this situation will change and everything will be normal. Now questions based on the conversation between sister and brother. Question number 1. Do you find any displeasure? What is that? The brother is getting annoyed continuously being at home. This is the displeasure. Who is supporting to whom? The sister is supporting her brother. Does it have hopeful ending? Yes, it has hopeful ending and everything will be normal. The ending is everything will be normal. So this is positive end of the conversation. Now practice. Read the following dialogues and understand the pleasure and support given in it. Uncle asks, Sanju, how are you? Sanju responds, fine uncle. Uncle asks again, what about your school? When is it going to reopen? Sanju, can't say anything uncle because of that I am in too much tension. Sanju responds, can't say anything uncle because of that I am in too much tension. Uncle, nothing to worry beta, just relax. Sanju says, uncle, Papa is always asking about study and expecting more than 95%. Uncle, oh, that's why you are in tension. Sanju, yes, tell, what should I do? Uncle, you are good in studies. You know your potential. Be confident and study regularly. Sanju responds, okay, thanks uncle for the support. Now, the questions based on the conversation between Sanju and his uncle. What type of dialogue is this? This dialogue is about supporting in displeasure situation. Why is Sanju in tension? Sanju is in tension because of his study and getting more than 95% marks. So, extension activity. There is one more conversation between Shyam and Ram. You have to read the dialogues and find two friends helping each other. Shyam says, I am not getting my mobile. Ram says, then it's very good. Don't be too much in mobile. Shyam says, I am serious yaar. I have my English online class. Oh, okay, wait. I'll help to search your mobile. Shyam says, but I have very less time. Ram says, okay, you may use my mobile phone. Shyam says, thanks Ram. It will be very easy now. So in this way, the conversation or communication between Shyam and Ram is given here. So you frame the questions to understand the overall message. Who is helping to whom? What is the situation? So this was the activity, and now takeaway tips. You have to write what you have learnt. In this way, in first person, I learnt how to support, appreciate others through effective communication. So in this way you can write, just I gave hint. So friends, conversation or communication is really important for two things. One, to be fluent speaker in English, number one, and number two, there is a question activity for 5 marks in SSC board exam. You can score 5 out of 5 marks in this activity. So this is a good support in this bridge course activities, dialogue writing for both the goals. Goal number 1, to score full credit in SSC board exam in dialogue writing, and goal number 2, this is shorter goal, to score 5 marks, but the broader goal is always consistently use English in formal and informal conversation. So, as much you practice, you will be at ease to speak English whenever you need. Thank you.